Aries, hi, welcome to Mystic Queen PH. At titignan natin ang situation ninyo 1 year from now, from the time na mapanood nyo ang reading na to, dahil ito ay isang timeless reading. So anytime na mapanood nyo to, as long as makaka-resonate kayo, this reading is for you. So let's see. If you are interested in private readings, meron tayong link sa description at sa pinned comment. Paki-check nyo na lang. Okay? So let's see, Aries. Kamusta kayo 1 year from now? Aries, 1 year from now. Links. So, yung iba sa inyo, mas magkakaroon ng tahimik na buhay, 1 year from now. Because you want to focus on your peace and serenity. I feel like yung iba sa inyo, mas magiging independent, no? Aalis kayo sa isang situation na sa tingin nyo, it's just giving a lot of drama or toxic situation. Yung iba bubukod na, pwede nga alis kayo sa poder ng inyong mga magulang, no? To live your own, no? To live on your own, kumbaga. Or maaring meron kayong mga iiwasang connection, situation that you feel na nagdadagdag lang ng stress sa inyo. So, you want to live a peaceful and happy life. Yan. Kasi yan ay, itong links is energy of a sacred silence, no? Katahimikan. Ayan. You are also going to be more independent, no? Intuitive. Kumbaga, yung independence mo, yan yung magiging strength mo, lakas mo para maging proud ka rin sa sarili mo sa mga pwede mo pang ma-achieve. Let's see what else. You have Sky. Sky is about expansion. May pag-unlad, merong growth. So this can mean growth sa career mo, sa finances mo, or even sa relationships mo. And this is about personal growth din. So maaring ikaw ay mas inspired na mag-explore ng ibang opportunities because of your independence. You also have Eagle. Ayan. Eagle is about your new perspective. So, maari ngayon mas malawak yung pananaw mo sa buhay. Yung iyong perspective is focused on how are you going to achieve your goals. This is also about being more confident sa sarili mo, na kaya mo on your own. So, basically, it's about freedom, no? Freeing yourself from your limitations. Okay, so 1 year from now, ikaw ay independent na, malaya na magawa yung gusto mo. So, let's see your overall energy, Aries, 1 year from now. Wow, the Sun. Speaking of confidence. So, ito yon. You are going to be more confident. I also see you na reaching your goals, your dreams. You will also be center of attention na maaring magiging sikat ka or, famous sa community mo. Ano man yung pinupurso mo, pwedeng mas magiging more creative ka, expressing your thoughts, and also exploring your creative talents and skills. So, your possible challenge is the 10 of Swords. So, yung iba sa inyo, medyo may hirapan na umalis sa situation na, kumbaga, nasanay na kayo. But, yan kasi yung comfort natin, no? Yung comfort zone natin. And, para tayo mag-grow, we need to leave that comfort zone at explore pa yung mga unfamiliar sa buhay natin. Dahil we'll never know na doon pala tayo mas magsasucceed, doon pala natin mahanap yung fulfillment. So, it's going to be challenging para sa inyo na umalis sa situation na yan, but magkakaroon ka ng lakas ng loob, no? Na to pursue whatever you want, kahit na meron kang kailangang iwanan. So, pwede itong trabaho mo, career mo, or business mo that you feel like hindi ka na nakaka-resonate with, or a situation, a relationship with someone. Let's see your opportunity 1 year from now. Wow. Mukhang hindi mo pagsisisihan ang pagsosolo or pagiging independent, because the King of Pentacles is about financial stability. Maaring ring 1 year from now, mas mataas na yung posisyon mo sa trabaho or yung estado mo sa buhay. you have achieved a lot in terms of your career, your finances. Maari ring nakapagpundar ka na ng mga ari-arian mo, no? Yung iba naman sa inyo, maaring you feel secured, no? Lalo na financially kasi maaring mas marami kang may ipon na, no? Makakaipon ka na for your future. Let's see your blessing. Ooh, the Death card. The blessing is transformation. I think 1 year from now, kung ikukumpara mo yung sarili mo, no, 1 year from now, mas totally malaki yung naging pagbabago. Oo, it's a major transformation. Like what I mentioned kanina, magiging struggle man sa'yo or challenging man sa'yo ang pag-alis sa isang situation or pag-end ng isang situation sa buhay mo. But definitely, a new opportunity is going to open up sa'yo. May nagsarang pinto, merong magbubukas. So I think yan yung pag-alis mo sa comfort zone mo, na minsan kasi natatakot tayong mag-explore kasi syempre kung ano yung pamilyar na tayo, kung ano yung sanay na tayo, nandun na yung comfort natin. Komportable na tayo doon. Kaya lang nga, hindi tayo mag-grow kapag lagi lang tayong nasa comfort zone natin. And I feel like you will explore your other options. Okay? Let's see sa money, career, finances. Okay? Experiment. So, mag-experiment ka sa yung career, sa trabaho mo, sa business mo. Kumbaga, parang mas ka ngayon, innovative, no? Gusto mo sumubok ng mga bago na hindi mo pa na-experience before sa career mo and then sa finances mo. At mas magiging maingat ka rin sa pag-handle ng iyong kaperahan. You're going to work smart. You will use your resources to your advantage. At kumbaga hindi lang siya working hard eh. It's more of working hard kasi inaalam mo kung ano yung best na proseso na pwede mong gawin or trabahuhin ng isang bagay na hindi ka masyadong mapapagod pero pareho pa rin yung resulta na makukuha mo. You have the 8 of Swords. So I feel like you are releasing these limitations, no? Maaring isa to sa mga experimentation mo na gagawin sa career mo, sa business mo, sa trabaho mo, na sumubok ng mga bago kahit na merong mga pumipigil sa'yo or may mga nagdi-discourage sa'yo. Yes, you have the Page of Wands. So this is going on an adventure. So mas magiging adventurous ka sa career mo, sa finances mo, sa investments mo, sa business mo. Maari ring may mga travel opportunities for you, learning opportunities. Pwedeng ikaw ay ipapadala sa ibang bansa or ikaw mismo, ikaw yung gagastos mismo sa pagpunta mo sa ibang bansa dahil gusto mo na may matutunan, may mga bagong knowledge na pwede mong gamitin for business or para ma-improve yung skill set mo. Okay? So, for your love life ng mga Aries 1 year from now, transformation talaga. Okay, so some of you ending a situation, ito yung mas pinatatag ka, mas pinatibay ka. Oo. You are ready for the next phase. So some of you will also spend more time with your friends. Yung iba, no, kung kayo ay nagtsatsaga sa isang relationship na talagang sa tingin mo parang wala nang patutunguhan, I think maglalakas loob ka na na tapusin na yan at i-enjoy yung pagiging single. I think you will go out more with your friends, meet new friends, meet new connections, at i-enjoy mo lang yung process ng getting to know other people. No? Lalo na kung nanggaling ka sa isang long-term relationship na medyo naging toxic na for you. Yes, you have the Queen of Pentacles and the 5 of Wands. I feel like you will get a lot of attention during this time, no? 1 year from now. Yung tipong, let's say, maraming magkakaroon ng interest sa'yo. At lalo na kung ikaw may establish mo yung sarili mo ng very like independent, no? Kasi mas attractive kasi yung isang tao na established siya sa buhay, independent, kaya-kaya niya yung sarili niya. So, I feel like you will gain a lot of attention. And pwedeng, yun nga lang, it may create some conflict with others kasi pwedeng merong mag-away-away dahil lang sa'yo. Okay. So, let outward deeds and words match inner feelings. Yes. So, i-align mo yung mga gusto mong mangyari sa mga actions na gagawin mo moving forward. So, if you want freedom, then definitely gagawa ka ng ah, mga paraan para makalaya ka sa isang limitation na kinalalagyan mo. Okay? So, this is you aligning your goals, your thoughts, your dreams sa yung mga actions. Okay? So that is your reading, Aries. Thank you so much. Bye.